Hey, it's Jack here. We're in Brenham, Texas, right outside of Blue Bell Creameries. We're going to go inside, check things out. The Cow and Girl logo was created in the 1970s to capture the country image that is Little Creamery in Brenham. Over the years, ice cream lovers have associated this symbol with fresh quality products and down-home goodness that Blue Bell Creameries represents. Since the early days of the creamery, E.F. Krause, Wright and Sons, Ed Center, and Howard Leff have guided the company with hard work and a common sense approach to management. Today, their basic values and principles are still found throughout Blue Bell and provide a solid foundation for doing business the old-fashioned way. We'll start right here in the visitor center. We'll come inside the visitor center. It says how we make ice cream. Right here it says Blue Bell ice cream begins with only the freshest and finest ingredients, like milk from Texas cows. They said fresh whole milk is sent directly to them from dairy farms, the Little Creamery in Brenham. The milk is tested thoroughly before unloading to ensure quality and flavor. A basic ice cream mix is blended together just like the process used when making homemade ice cream. And the mix is pasteurized at a high temperature to ensure quality. Then it goes through a homogenizer, uses high pressure to make the mix smooth and creamy. Then they add flavoring and color. It's blended to give ice cream mix its base flavor. And the ice cream mix goes into the freezer, comes out the temperature and consistency of a milkshake. Fresh fruits, nuts, or berries are added, and the ice cream is filled into the cartons. Ice cream cartons go directly to the blast freezer, which locks the freshness at minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The ice cream is loaded into Blue Bell trailers, which hold consistent temperature of 18 degrees Fahrenheit. Blue Bell ice cream is shipped directly from the Little Creamery to distribution centers, Blue Bell branches, in areas where they sell ice cream. Ice cream is delivered from our branches to local stores in special trucks called bobtails. Only Blue Bell employees handle the ice cream until it reaches the stores. Only Blue Bell employees handle the ice cream until it reaches the store. Employees also check the stock on an ongoing basis. When you purchase Blue Bell ice cream, you can be sure that it was made and delivered with loving care. Over here are various ads for Blue Bell ice cream. This is an ice cream freezer from the 1930s. Now if you're looking for Blue Bell Country, this is it right here. Everything in the dark green on the map. So it looks like it goes as far west as Phoenix. As far north, it looks like Kansas City, Missouri. That's Indianapolis, Indiana. So I think Indianapolis is a little bit further north than Kansas City. It goes all the way down into Florida. And of course here in Texas. I do have the guide right here, the key. They got branch facility, production plant, snack plant, and that's what those various buildings represent. Oh, this is cool. It says in 1995, Space Shuttle Atlantis astronauts filled a small freezer with Blue Bell frozen snacks, and they flew it to the Russian space station Mir. The astronauts and cosmonauts shared out of this world experience. Right here, this is a simplex time recorder. This is how the creamery workers would document their time, is with this time clock right here. And here we have a history of Blue Bell ice cream, starting in 1907. You can see the original building in Brenham Creamery Company. This is the earliest wrapper from the 1930s. This is from 1925. It says this ad appeared in 1925 telephone directory. Right here we have a float from the Mayfest Parade in 1925. Down below, this is from 1936, when they started calling themselves Blue Bell Creameries. During World War II, Blue Bell focused on producing butter for the troops. Down below that, we have 1940s. Prepackaged cartons of Blue Bell ice cream could be purchased at the grocery store and stored in the freezer section of modern home refrigerators. The Little Creamery began bulging at the seams, and Blue Bell completed additional Brenham plant in 1972. To celebrate Blue Bell's 75th anniversary in 1982, Continental Airlines offered to fly Blue Bell ice cream to fans of any destination. Blue Bell joined the cyberspace community with the launching of its website in 1998, www.bluebell.com. Blue Bell Creamery celebrated its 100th anniversary with festivities and free ice cream to each of its sales territories and plants in 2007. Throughout the visitor center, they have these photo ops. Got this one here with the cows and the milk containers. Got this one over here with the barn. And for the photo op, you can pick up your favorite flavor of Blue Bell ice cream and hold it if you want to, or just leave those jugs right there. Get your photo done. And over here, we got the official taste tester photo op. I stepped outside the visitor center. Right over here is the general offices and business center. And right out in front of that Got this vintage Blue Bell Creameries delivery truck right here. There's a sign on the side here. This is a 1930s Blue Bell Ford truck. Do not sit. Thank you very much. Oh, there's more to see over here. We've got the visitor center, which already came through. They got the ice cream parlor and country store straight ahead that way. Let's go check that out. As we walk here, they have the Blue Bell Creamery's little free library. Looks like this pulls down. There might be some books inside of here. Nope, denied. No books inside the free little library. We'll go inside the ice cream parlor store and observation deck. As we come in off to the left, it's Blue Bell Bluebonnets and baseball, Texas high school baseball. We got various players here who have played Texas high school baseball. And presuming here, we got Cecil Cooper, first base Milwaukee. Here's Mike Stanton, pitched for the Yankees, it looks like, in the World Series in 1999. Watched Don Baylor play for years for the Angels. And he is a graduate of Stephen F. Austin High School in Austin, Texas. And here's some of his memorabilia right here. Here is Chris George, graduate of Klein High School. Major League debut, July 26, 2001. Right here is Justin Thompson. Major League debut, May 27, 1996. Detroit Tigers are right there. Right up here is Kerry Wood. High School, Grand Prairie, right-handed pitcher. Major League debut is 1998, April 12th. Over here they have Nolan Ryan, went to Alvin High School, of course, right-handed pitcher, very famous right-handed pitcher with no-hitters and strikeouts and so forth. 27-year Major League Baseball career right there, Nolan Ryan. And here's other various players, coaches, and so forth for the Texas High School Baseball Coaches Association Hall of Fame. Right here, we're going to take the elevator up. As soon as the barn doors open, as we come off the elevator, we got this sign here, new t-shirts sold exclusively at the country store here at Blue Bell. Over here, they got various merchandise throughout the years for Blue Bell ice cream. I know this is for sale. It's for display purposes only. Oh, it's for display only. Look for these favorite flavors in your favorite store.
This is display only, but they have their own ice cream counter.
Well, I went with the ice cream parlor flavor only, which is Peachy Peach. Give this a taste, see what it's like. By the way, it's just $1 for the cup of Blue Bell ice cream here. Oh, the aroma of the Peachy Peach, you can smell the peach flavor right off the top. Give this a taste, see what it's like. The flavor on that ice cream is absolutely amazing. It's obviously Peachy Peach. It's going to taste like peach. It definitely tastes like peach. If you ever have an opportunity to try it out for yourself, go ahead and check it out at your local ice cream parlor. Here's the observation deck. Unfortunately, it is closed. And even if it was open, no food, drinks, photos, or videos beyond this point. So would not be able to snap a photo or give you a video of what that observation deck looks like. Since it's closed, can't do that anyway. But we do have the store. We can go in and look at the merchandise. Right here we got some t-shirts, got some mason jar type of mugs right there, got some travel mugs, got koozies, various other things here, t-shirts, candles. Come inside over here, more home decor type of items with Blue Bell on there. We got the bowls down here, some mugs. Over here, some coffee mugs. Of course, ice cream scoops. Can't be Blue Bell without selling ice cream scoops. They got koozies again here and your favorite brand or favorite flavor. Over here, they've got Poppy handcrafted popcorn in various flavors here. They do have some various sauces here. And they also have some pickles down below. Over here they got some magnets, some keychains, some pens, some pencils, cushy baseballs, basketballs, footballs, and soccer balls there. Got the squishy cow, it looks like, down below there. Over here they got adult t-shirts. You got various baseball caps there and various Blue Bell related t-shirts here. Find your favorite flavor, buy your favorite shirt with the flavor on there, and you're all set. Hope you enjoyed this walk-around tour of Blue Bell Creameries here in Brenham, Texas. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.